Hello, this is Nicholas Acosta coming here doing the second part of Windows 10. Now, yesterday you might have remembered that my friend who is here with me, Kevin, he gave the specs, the tech specs of his computer, HP Envy 15-inch laptop. He gave his specs. We talked about Windows 10 installation, how I installed it on his computer. Now he has a copy of NVDA running on his computer on Windows 10. NVDA is also known as non-visual desktop access, and you can download NVDA for free. This is an open source screen reader. You can get it from nvda-project.org. That is nvda-project.org. You can download this free copy, and maybe while you're at it, if you've used this screen reader before, you might want to make a donation of maybe anywhere from $20 to $50. And making a donation will be good for the company because it will support the company through the development of NVDA. So you might not be able to see the screen. You might not be able to see Kevin's computer screen because, of course, we don't have this plugged up. We don't have this plugged in to no screen sharing or screen recording. So what I'm going to do is we're going to demonstrate Cortana. Now, Cortana is a very, very powerful assistant that was introduced in Windows 10. This is accessible with Narrator. This is the built-in screen reader / magnifier that comes built into Windows 10, or you can use NVDA, and NVDA will still work with Cortana. Now, I want you, Kevin, to talk a little bit about Cortana and try to demonstrate the features of Cortana.
Let's see.
Cortana window. Search box edit. Blank. Microphone button. Space.
Search YouTube.
Blank page Microsoft Edge window. Microsoft Edge window. Search YouTube. Bing. Cortana window. Microphone button. Start app. Space. Cortana. Home. Notebook. Reminders. Feedback. Feedback. Reminder. Notebook. List. Notebook. About me HTTP. MS. Connected accounts HTTPS. www.bing.com account permissions. Notebook. Cortana. Notebook. About me HTTP. Microphone button. Change my name. Change the name Cortana uses for you, or how Cortana pronounces it.
So Cortana can announce your name, basically, and there's an option where you can actually change your name. So if I click on change my name
button. Microphone button.
Then
list. Notebook.
Wait.
What would you like me to call you? Edit box edit. Blank.
It's gonna tell you what would you like me to call you, which is like what name does Cortana want to call as. Like you can type in any type of name, you can customize it, you can think of a random name that Cortana might call you, but I already have it set up as my default name, so I don't need to change it. So let's get out of Cortana by pressing tab.
Skip button.
Skip.
Enter button.
Enter, which is to confirm after you enter your new name, but I'm not going to do it right now, so let's go to skip. So press shift tab.
Skip button. Space. Search box edit.
Then you're gonna have, here's some info for your evening. It shows you the weather, 78 degrees, light rain, participation 90%. Then as you go down, it's gonna say top news, and it shows you the top news that's happening right now. Okay, and then as soon as you go down, and hold on, let me find something.
List. Bing. List. Graphic. Link. Link. List. Link. Israel ready. See all. Link. See all. Link. List. See all link, see all. Link. List. See more tips link.
No. Yeah. So basically, it shows you the top news in the community in the area that we're currently located, which is New Massachusetts.
Link. List.
Uh,
Link. Ryan
It
Kavanaugh's
shows
relatively
you
media declares bankruptcy link.
reminders, your places, and then it says see more tips. Which
Here are
I'm
some
gonna
news from the web.
click on.
Cortana. Home. Dictionary. See more tips. JavaScript. Microphone button.
Whatever it's called. Okay, then it's gonna say here are some things that can help you. Your calendar, edit, or review your calendars. Then you also have your reminders, which you can set, place your time, or with people reminders. Like if you want to remind to call someone, you can tell Cortana to call somebody. Like, let's just say remind me to call mom at like 3 o'clock, and then they're gonna set a note on your time slot or reminders, and as soon as 3 o'clock, it's gonna give you a notification to call back mom or something else, something like that. Then you're gonna have alarms, which you can set, like your default alarm. And in order to set the alarm, you go to the start
Cortana
screen,
window. Microphone button.
type in
A.
alarm.
A-R-M. List. Home. Start. All apps. Start apps. Ask me anything. Taskbar. Back. Taskbar. Task view. Taskbar. Running applications.
Oh, as a matter of fact,
Fully charged 100 desktop list. Cortana window. Microphone button. Space.
open alarm clock settings.
Search
Alright,
box edit.
opening
Blank.
alarms and clock.
So here you have an alarm section. You have, which is the place where you can set up your alarm, and I have it set up for 6 o'clock. Then down below that it says good morning, and then it shows you the days that it's gonna be set on. I got it set for 5 days, which is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then on the right, you have an on and off slider, and which you can toggle by pressing the right arrow.
Blank. 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 Blank.
For some reason it doesn't work. So
Alarm collection. Alarm on off toggle button.
button, and it turns it off. Now it's back on again.
World clock tab.
Then in the world clock, you got your world, like your 7 continents, and then it shows you your time zone, which says 7:59 p.m. right now, local time, Thursday, because we're on the East Coast, and you're gonna get the same time
Timer
zone
tap,
when
timer
you go
tap.
to Canada or to Florida. Basically, on this East Coast, you're gonna have the same time zone. Then you're gonna have the timer, which is your countdown timer. Like, if you have homework and you want to set it for 15 minutes, you can use this timer to count down. And as soon as the time is over, it's gonna go off with an alarm or something like that. Then
Timer tab. Stopwatch tab. Stopwatch tab.
you're
Alarms
gonna
clock
see a
window.
stopwatch
Alarms clock
tab,
window. List.
which
Stopwatch
allows you
tab.
to calculate how long you walk, how fast you can run, like how long you can walk. Let's just say you walk a mile, and then this stopwatch will calculate how long then you walk from. Let's just say you walk from the care center and you want to walk to the train station and back. As soon as you walk back, it's gonna calculate how long on the stopwatch. It's gonna tells you, like, the hours, the minutes, the seconds, and gives you all that. So, what's next, Becky?
Okay, so that was a brief introduction to Cortana. This is a very powerful, personal assistant for your computer. It's a bit better than Siri, because, this is one of the first virtual assistants to be put on a desktop or a laptop computer, because Apple doesn't have any virtual assistant for their laptop or desktop computers. They only have Siri for iOS. It would be nice if in the future that they were to put Siri on OS 10. But right now, Microsoft is one of the first people. They're one of the first people right now to put a virtual assistant on their desktop computer. Now, I want to also explain to all of you about Cortana. What Cortana does, it is an assistant, like I said. You might have heard the screen reader say notebook. Basically, in the notebook, you can write about yourself. You can let Cortana know who you are. Like Kevin said, you can change your name. You can tell Cortana a little bit about yourself. And basically you can just explore that. If you are running Windows 7 or Windows 8, 8.1 on your computer, you can download and install Windows 10 for free. It's free for 1 year. After the first year, it's about $119. I guess that's depending on what version you want to get, but it's $119. Let's just say $120. So whatever version you're gonna get is totally up to you. But this was the only thing that I wanted to talk about in this video. Please keep an eye on part 3 of this series on Windows 10. The next video that we're going to cover is accessibility in Windows. We're going to see the settings in the magnification software, narrator, the speech settings, and we will navigate the operating system using NVDA, and I will show you if there are any accessibility bugs, anything that has to be reported to Microsoft or NVDA, and that company is NV Access. Anything that we can report to NV Access will be reported. For those that are using NVDA in August, maybe August, mid-August, around there, they're going to be releasing an update to all NVDA users that will supposed to be supporting Windows 10. So please keep an eye on that, and please stay tuned on Windows 10 accessibility part 3. So this is Nicholas Acosta, and we will see you next time.